If you're experiencing login issues on Mail.com, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching to a different network or resetting your router if necessary. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check your username and password for any typos. Make sure that the caps lock key is not on and that you are entering the correct email address associated with your Mail.com account. Step 3. Reset your password. Secure your account before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 5. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with the login process. Temporarily disable any extensions or try using a different browser to see if that resolves the issue. If you follow these steps and still can't log in, consider reaching out to Mail.com customer support for further assistance.